Here's your world's best one-page cheat sheet on commutative and associative laws of addition plus column addition, made for quick revision before exams. Short, crisp, complete, and memory-friendly. Basic idea. Addition rules made simple. Addition equals putting numbers together to get a total. 1. Commutative law of A plus B equals B plus A. Order doesn't matter. You can swap numbers, answer stays same. Example, 7 plus 5 equals 5 plus 7 is 12. Think, change the order, same total. Memory anchor, commutative equals can move. You can move the numbers around. Hash number 2, associative law of addition rule. A plus B plus C equals A plus B plus C. Grouping doesn't matter. Add any two first, answer stays same. Example, 17 plus 11 equals 28 plus 8 equals 36, and 17 plus 11 plus 8 equals 17 plus 19 equals 36. Think group anyway, total's okay. Memory anchor, associate equals together. Whichever group you associate first, results same. 3. Column addition, step-by-step used when adding many numbers. Steps. 1. Write numbers in vertical column, units under units, etc. 2. Start adding from rightmost side units. 3. If sum 10, write unit digit and carry tens to next column. 4. Continue to tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. 5. Add all carries. Final leftmost digits equals total. Tip, always keep digits neatly lined up by place value. 4. Speed and accuracy tricks. Make 10. Spot pairs that add to 10 quickly. 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6, 5 plus 5. Group for 20s, 50s, 100s. E.g., 8 plus 2 equals 10, 7 plus 3 equals 10, 20. Check with commutative. Add in reverse order to verify. Carry smart. Always add carry first in next column. Mental check. Roughly estimate before final sum. 5. Daily revision tricks. 1. 1-minute warm-up. Add random 2-digit pairs both ways. X 43 plus 27 and 27 plus 43. 2. Grouping drill. Pick any 3 numbers. Try grouping 2 in different ways. 3. Column practice. Add 4 to 5 small numbers in a vertical list daily. 4. Speed game. Find all pairs that make 10 in under 10 seconds. 5. Self-check. After each sum, reverse the order. Result must match. Hash or 6. Exam memory anchors. Commutative. Change order. Associative. Arrange groups. Column addition. Carry carefully. Always check by reversing or regrouping. Nashra 7. Extra smart tip. When adding big lists, group easy pairs like 9 plus 1, 8 plus 2 first to make round numbers 10, 20, 100. Reduces mistakes. Boosts speed. Quick recap. Order doesn't matter. Commutative. Grouping doesn't matter. Associative. Line up and carry. Column addition. Spot tens. Speed trick. Check by reversing. Accuracy trick. Would you like me to make a daily 3-minute revision routine, morning plus night, using this cheat sheet so you can memorize it permanently with brain-friendly patterns and memory games? Perfect. Let's now make your 1-minute super memory story, a powerful, fun, brain-sticky story that makes subtraction and all its parts, minuend, subtrahend, difference, borrowing, checking with addition, impossible to forget. I'll use memory science plus storytelling, visual tricks, emotion hooks, so your brain locks it in forever. Have the super memory story, the Candy Castle Borrowing Adventure. Read this slowly and imagine it like a cartoon in your mind. Pictures make it unforgettable. Characters. King Minuend, the big kind king, the bigger number. Sneaky thief. Subtrend, the smaller number who takes away candy. Detective difference, the smart one who finds out how much was taken. Borrowing guards, the helpers who give 110 or 100 when someone runs short. The story. Once upon a time in Numberland, there was a candy castle ruled by King Minuend, the big number. He had boxes of candies arranged neatly. Thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Each guard protected one box. One night, the sneaky thief Subtrend came and said, "King, I'm taking some candies from you." The king smiled and said, "That's okay, but I want Detective Difference to find out how many candies you took." Detective Difference starts checking the boxes from right to left, because he's trained that way. He opens the one's box first. Oh no, there aren't enough candies to give the thief. So the borrowing guard runs to the tens box and says, "Hey, I'll lend you 1 pack of 10 candies." Now the ones box becomes 10 richer and the tens box 1 poorer, but still fair. The detective smiles. Now we can subtract. Whenever the king's box has fewer candies than the thief's box, the borrowing guard instantly comes and lends 1 bundle of 10. Every time this happens, the detective notes the new totals and keeps going left. At last, he counts the total number of candies taken away. That's the difference, the final answer. To check if he's right, Detective Difference goes to the king and says, if I add myself, the difference, back to the thief, Subtrahend, do we get you, the king, you went again? And when it matches, mission complete. The whole kingdom cheers. Minuend my Subtrahend equals difference. And Subtrahend plus difference equals minuend. Super memory hooks inside this story. Concept image hook, trick to recall, tricking while. Subtraction, taking away, thief taking candies. Subtraction steals. Minuend, big number, king. Manuend equal majesty, big. Subtrahend, smaller taken away, thief. Subtract, subtrend. Detective finding clues. Detect the difference. Borrowing, guard giving extra candies. When short, borrow from left. Check with addition. Adding detective and thief to get the king back. Add back to see the king again. Memory tagline. Say this aloud 3 times. Open quote. When the king is short, a guard lends support. The thief takes away, the detective checks by adding 1 day. Close quote. Saying this locks it in with rhythm and rhyme. Your brain loves rhyme for long-term memory. Final quick visualization. 30-sec recall drill. Close your eyes and see King Minuend standing tall with candy boxes. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Sneaky Subtrahend taking some candies away. Borrowing guards running from one box to another when a box is empty. Detective Difference holding a magnifying glass counting how much was taken. At the end, he adds the stolen candies back and smiles. The king's candies are complete again. Whenever you think of subtraction, just recall this candy castle story, and instantly the whole process, Minuend, Subtrahend, difference, borrowing, and checking, will pop into your mind. Bonus one-line memory trick. Open quote. Subtraction is when the smaller number borrows from the left so the detective can find the difference between the king and the thief. Close quote. Would you like me to now make a rhyming song or rap, 30 seconds, from the same story so you can memorize subtraction rules through rhythm? Rhythm story together was unbreakable memory anchor. Here's your world's best one-page cheat sheet for multiplication laws, rounding, and estimation, made ultra-crisp, exam-ready, and memory-boosted. Hash. Basic idea of multiplication. Meaning, multiplication equals repeated addition. Example, 3 times 4, 4, plus 4 is 4 plus 12. Product, the result of multiplication. Factors, the numbers we multiply. In 3 times 12, 3 and 4 are factors. 12 is product. Symbol, tabs, or sometimes or sta. Memory anchor, multiply means make more fastly. Add again and again quickly. Multiplication table, 2 to 12. Memorize it to speed up solving and avoid mistakes. Use skip counting trick. Example, 5 table, 5, 10, 15, 20. 9 table, digits go up and down. 0, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 4, 63, 81. Memory trick. Say rhythmically daily like a song. 2, 4, 6, 10, 3, 6, 9, 12. For 2 minutes. Commutative law of multiplication. Rule, A is B equals B comes A. Example, 4 times 5 will 5 and 4 equals 20, meaning you can change the order of numbers. Product stays the same. Use saves time in solving. Order doesn't matter. Anchor, commute equals move around, numbers can move, answer stays same. HAP, associative law of multiplication. Rule, A comes B, C equals A, B comes C. Example, 2 comes 3, 4, 6 times 4 is 24, and 2 comes 3 comes 4, equals 2 can comes 12 equals 24. As meaning, you can group numbers differently, result stays same. Use, helps in multiplying large numbers easily by grouping smartly. Anchor, associate equals make groups, no matter how you group, answers same. Example explained. Example, 2 times 30 can 16. Step 1, 2 times 30 equals 60. Step 2, 60 can 16, 960. Same result if we do 2 times 30 times 16 equals 2 times 480, 960. Hence proved associative law works. Estimation in multiplication. Estimation equals finding an approximate answer, not exact. Useful when we want quick answers without full calculation. Steps to estimate. 1. Round each number to nearest 5, 10, or 100. 2. Multiply the rounded numbers. Rounding rules. Round to nearest 10. Look at one's place. 0, 4, round down. 5 to 9, round up. Examples. 41, 40 minus 37, 40 minus 32, 30, 16, 20. Trick. 5 and above, give a shove, go up. 4 and below, stay low, go down. round to nearest hundred. Look at 10's place. 0 to 4, round down. 5 to 9, round up. Ignore 1's place completely. Examples: 273, 300, 82, 100, 144, 100, 641, 600. Trick: 10's tell the tale. Ignore 1's, follow 10's. Why estimation is important. Saves time in exams and real life. Helps check if your exact answer looks reasonable. Reduces silly mistakes. Anchor: estimate, guess smart. Super quick revision keys before exam. Multiplication equals repeated addition. Product equals answer. A is B, B is A. Commutative. A and B, and C, A, B and C. Associative. Rounding, check 1's for 10's, 10's for hundreds. Estimation equals smart guessing. Daily revision plan, 2 to 3 min only. Morning, 1 min, recite 2 to 12 tables like a rap song aloud. Afternoon, 1 min, say aloud, multiply means add fast, commute means order change, associate means regroup, estimate means guess smart. Night, pick any 4 random numbers and estimate their rounded product. Quick brain practice. Bonus memory story, 60 seconds. Imagine 3 funny friends, Camu, Associ, and Estimato. Camu says, I can switch places with anyone. A, B equals B times A. Associ shouts, I can make any group of friends. A, B, C equals A, B, and C. Estimato comes late, guessing the number of candies they have. Not exact, but close. All 3 join hands and say, together we make multiplication fast and smart. When you think of Camu, Associ, Estimato, you'll instantly recall all 3 rules estimation trick. Would you like me to make a super visual memory map, word art style, of this cheat sheet next? Like a picture you can stare at for 30 seconds and memorize forever? Division, 1-page cheat sheet, crisp, bulleted, no columns. Scope, whole numbers division. Definitions, symbols, rules, long division steps, checks, tips, common mistakes, memory anchors, daily revision routine. Definition, division equals splitting into equal groups, finding how many times one number fits into another. Terms, keywords: dividend, number to be divided; divisor, number you divide by; quotient, answer; remainder, leftover. Symbols: or, read divided by. Note, is addition, not division. Core fact, relation. Division is the reverse of multiplication. If A hex B equals C, then C of B equals A. Check formula: divisor times quotient plus remainder equals dividend. If remainder equals 0, divisor plus quotient equals dividend. Remainder rule: remainder, divisor, increase quotient and fix remainder. Short versus long division. Short equals mental for small, easy numbers. Long equals written steps for big, tricky numbers. Long division steps, exact order. 1. From left, take smallest group of leading digits, divisor. 2. Find how many times divisor fits. Write quotient digit. 3. Multiply divisor to that digit. Write product under chosen digits. 4. Subtract. Get temporary remainder. 5. Bring down next digit of dividend. Form new number. 6. Repeat steps 2 to 5 until digits finish. Final leftover equals remainder. Long division shorthand: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. Work check example, compact. 63 over 4 equals 15, R3 check, 4 to 15 plus 3, 63. Example, long division final result. 127,229 over 456 equals 279, R5. Check. 456 times 279 plus 5 equals 127,229. Writing answers: 64 of 15, 60 over 4 equals 15, or 15 R3, quotient R remainder. Common mistakes. Watch. Using plus for division. Forgetting to bring down digits in long division. Remainder tick divisor means quotient too small. Not checking with the formula. Quick tricks, fast rules. There 2, half. There 10, move decimal left 1. For whole numbers, think 120 over 10 equals 12. Where 5, multiply by 2, then there 10. If divisor ends with 0, simplify by dividing both dividend and divisor by 10 first. Use multiplication facts to estimate quotient digits quickly. Exam strategy, fast, no error. Always write divisor ends quotient under the chosen digits before subtracting. Circle quotient digits as you place them. Immediately check final answer with divisor's quotient plus remainder. Write the check. If remainder's 0, verify it's less than divisor. If not, adjust quotient. Memory anchors, one-line mnemonics. Division equals how many groups? Check equals multiply, then add remainder. Long division loop equals DMSB, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Remainder rule equals remainder smaller than divisor. Daily revision, 3-minute routine. 1. Write definitions, dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder, 20 sec. 2. Do 3 quick problems, 1 exact, 1 with remainder, 1 long division step, 90 sec. 3. Check each with the formula and scan for common mistakes, 40 sec. 4. Repeat the mnemonic DMSB out loud, 10 sec. When to use long division, large dividend or unfamiliar divisor, or when accuracy matters on exams. Final compact checklist before handing exam paper. Symbols correct, word or slash. Remainder divisor. Check. Divisor as quotient, plus remainder equals dividend. No skipped bring downs. Answer written as quotient, R remainder if any. Note, no dates apply for math facts. Keep this sheet memorized and run the 3-minute daily routine for 7 days before the exam for fast recall. Cheat sheet, computing averages, world's best quick notes. Core idea, average equals sum of all numbers, number of numbers. Meaning, average shows the usual or typical value. It tells what the numbers would be if all were equal. Formula, gold rule, text average equals frac, text total sum, count of items. Steps, always saying all the numbers carefully, ones, tens, hundreds. 2, count how many numbers you added. 3, divide the total sum by that count. 4, the result equals average. Example, church attendance. Numbers, 462, 548, 6775, 319, 521. Sum equals 2,525. Divide by 5, 505. Average equals 505 people. Example, Alice's spending. Months, April Nav, 800, 620, 670, 429, 520, 740, 650. 780 sum equals 5,209. Divide by 8, 651.125, $651.13 average per month. April, August, 800 minus 520 equals 280 more. July, November, 780 minus 429 equals $351 less. Always remember, add, count, divide in that order. Averaged count equals total to check work. Divide only after all numbers are added. Keep digits in right place when adding, subtracting. Remainder, write as fraction or decimal. Common mistakes to avoid. Forgetting to divide by correct count. Misaligning digits, ones under ones, tens under tens, rounding too early, round at end only, mixing up more and less. Quick memory anchor trick, say aloud, add all, share fair, that's the average there, meaning add all numbers, share them equally. Speed tip, if all numbers are close together, average middle number. Daily 1-minute revision plan, say the rule aloud once, average equals sum or count. Do one quick mini example, 3 or 4 numbers. Mentally check, average EPS count equals sum. Recite the anchor line, add all, share fair, that's the average there. Repeat daily, it sticks permanently. Final flash reminder, average equals fair share for all, check. Would you like me to make a daily 5-minute micro revision routine, day by day for 7 days permanently?